we have one gig. Right here 4000 memory, and also you can change your processor. I want to change to 4. If you have 2 processors, it is also enough. Come here, here is hard disk, here is CD. Then we have CD or DVD. Then come here, use ISO image file. Click here, then click on browse. I have Windows 10 image on desktop. I want to select desktop. Look, here is Windows 10 image. If you have on download, you can select download, but I have on desktop. I want to select my Windows 10. Click on open. Click on OK. Now everything is ready. Click on play virtual machine. Click in this button. Anyone you want. Here to take a few minutes. While installation is leave everything default. Click on next. Install app. You can choose any Windows you want. You have different type of Windows 10. I want to install Windows 10 Pro. Select Windows 10 Pro. Check yes, accept the replace. Choose the second one. It has 2 installations only. We have 1 drive, and also we can partition, but we don't need here. Then click on next. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will have notification. In this step, your system will restart automatically, and also you can click here restart now. Enter your username, enter your password.